Hello and welcome to Storeino. Today we will see how we can customize our checkout. The checkout is the final steps of the purchase process. That is why it is very necessary to be simple and easy for our clients. First, let's see how my checkout now looks. I'm gonna click on Show Store. I will go to any product and click on Buy Now. So I could go directly to the checkout. You see now this is my checkout design. We have first name, last name, email, indeed address, country, province, and city. So let's get back to the back end and click on settings. Then click on checkout. After that you will see a bunch of settings. First of all, the customer settings, then the shipping, then the cart, then a preview, then the errors. First of all, the customer. In this tab, you can edit what you want to collect from your customers. From now, we have the first name, the last name, the email, the address. If you go back, you will see customer step called information. You will see customer information or information up here. Then customer information that we have been seeing. Then the first name and the last name. And you have here a button called active full name. If you active a full name, you will be just one input, the full name. After that, the customer email, the customer phone. If you want, you can easily just with a single click, the phone is now active. With other click, the phone is deactivated. You can also activate shipping to different addresses, then the customer notes, and also you can let your customers create an account. The address here we have activated only address line 1, which is this one as you see right here. You can activate customer address 2, you can activate the country, the province, the city, and you can allow city writing if you want your customers to write their cities instead of selecting. The second part, which is the shipping. The shipping steps here we have already covered how you can set up your delivery companies and your zones. If you don't want to set up your zones and your delivery companies and you have only a flat rate of shipping, for example, I ship for $10 or $20 to each part of the country, for example, click on activate the shipping price here and put your shipping price. For example, I shipped for $20 in the all areas, and you can always change the texts either for the customer and the shipping also. Then the text as you see right here. The address is the same as you see, it's the same thing. If you go to the cart right here, you will see some other options. The default method of payment, we have cash on delivery, we have PayPal also. Then always you can edit the text and also a coupon code if you want to activate a coupon code in the cart of your clients, and the text of the buttons. It's really simple to set up and edit all this. Then the preview, we have the preview step. Now if you go back to our checkout, you will see that we have the step 1 is the information, then the step 2 is the shipping. You can add a step number 3, which is a preview, to show your customers a preview of their order and their total amount, which means the product price plus the shipping. It's really easy to set up. Just click on here and you will get to edit these text right here. Then the last tab, it is the error tab. For example, if your customer did not put a correct form email or correct form of numbers like this, you will have invalid phone, invalid email, and all of these errors. You don't have to set this up, and after you complete, just click on confirm. Then if you go back to your checkout, that you will see that we have been added order preview right here, and we have only the full name. This is the two things that we have done in our checkout customization. Thank you for watching and see you soon in other tutorials.